So did you guys guess what bag I picked up from LV? Hello my beloved YouTube fam, welcome back. So today I have a very quick double Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. If you have just come from my Louis Vuitton Come Shop With Me vlog, then you would know that I picked up a bag, but I actually picked up something else as well. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it above. It shows all the latest LV items and I try everything on. And another thing is that in my vlogs, I want them to be pretty informative. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I also show prices. So next time in shopping vlogs, I will try show prices as much as I can. So if you are new to my channel, hello, I am Mel. Thank you for joining me in my unboxing. I would absolutely love to have you back. So if you just hit that red subscribe button and click that bell to be notified each time I upload, I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Okay, let's get started with the first unboxing. So first up is, we'll start off with the smaller bag first. And you guys probably don't know what this is because I didn't show it in the vlog, but it is something I've been eyeing. So let's open it up together. And drawer feature, well, drawer box feature. And inside, I picked up this gorgeous belt. It is called the Dauphine belt. As you can see how this buckle, it's the same as the buckle on the Dauphine bag. And what I love about this belt is that it is reversible. So as you can see, one side is in the reverse monogram canvas, which I don't have anything in reverse monogram. And then you can take the buckle off and then slip it around the other side, and the back is in black calf leather. So I think this is great. I own one LV belt, but it's just in the standard brown monogram. Whereas in this, you get two belts in one. So also the thickness is 2.5 centimeters or 25 millimeters. So I love this thickness because I think it makes a great waisted belt. And for me, I went with size 80 centimeters because, as you can see me trying it on, I want to be able to belt it around, you know, like a dress, and so it will sit on the last hole. And if I want to wear it with jeans, it also fits that way. So just a little tidbit of information. I know, for example, my waist, when I wear belts, you know, lower down for jeans, I tend to wear 85 centimeters in terms of belt length. And then for my waist, I wear 75. So I purposely picked 80, and I find that's a really good medium so that I can still wear it waisted, but I can also wear it with high-waisted jeans. So that's a little tidbit for you just on how I measure my belt sizing. And yeah, I just think this belt is so versatile because one, you can wear it two ways. And secondly, I don't own anything with the reverse monogram. So I just think that being able to wear it two ways is fabulous. And the price of this was 870 Australian dollars. So a little bit more pricey because it does have the leather. If you buy a plain canvas, I think it's about like $150 cheaper, but it's better to get two belts in one, in my opinion. And secondly, what I am super excited about is what is in the bigger bag. Did you guess what I got from the vlog? I'm gonna take out the box and you probably would guess already. So, this is the box. So there's a really cute little tag as well. It's always beautifully wrapped. And let me open it up. And it is done in a double knot. Of course it is. So a magnetic box to reveal. It is tiny. And I think a lot of you guessed. So ta-da! This is the Nano Speedy in the classic monogram, and it does come with a shoulder strap as well. But in saying that, this shoulder strap, I have just realized, I didn't even think about this, it's not detachable. I think they could have easily made this a detachable strap. I mean, I know it might look a little bit silly just holding it like this because totally I would wear this bag crossbody because I think this is the cutest way to wear this bag. So the strap is not adjustable at all and you can't take it off. So this little guy is, what's this? It's just got the code here. Yep, Nano Speedy Monogram. This little guy is super, super, super hard to get for those of you that aren't aware. In general, Louis Vuitton monogram pieces have been harder to get. I mentioned in my vlog, things that are super hard to get at the moment are the Nano Speedy, the Pochette Métis, the Nano No Way, and also the Palm Springs mini backpack, especially in, you know, reverse monogram and the classic monogram. But this little guy, it's been hard to get, so I was just so glad that it was finally my turn and I could add this to my collection. As I said, I'm not normally a speedy girl, but honestly, guys, can you see this? It is just so adorable, itsy bitsy, tinsy wincy. Looks like a toy, but it's so, so cute. Now, because I saw so many of you comment on the last video like, oh my gosh, Mel, is it discontinued? I heard it was discontinued. How did you get it and everything? I know that it is really hard to get. And probably I didn't think it was as hard to get as the Matisse, but I think like this may even be harder in some stores. From what I know, no, it's not discontinued, but it just doesn't come in that often anymore. So I was thinking, and now I need your opinion, guys. What do you think? And I can't guarantee that I can get it, but I'm going to try my hardest. What do you think? You know how I promised you guys for my 200K giveaway that I would give away a designer bag. What do you think about if I can get another of these? Would you want me to give Nano Speedy, so exactly like this, or the Nano No Way? So I'll put a picture up here. So the Nano No Way is like more of a bucket style with a drawstring, and that is super hard to get. So please vote below. Are you interested for my first prize 200K giveaway, for me to give away either the Nano Speedy or the Nano No Way? Can you comment below and let me know? And then what I'll do is I will tally up the votes, and then in a couple of days time, head over to my Instagram and I'll like announce it on my stories. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram account here. Go ahead and join my Instagram family as well. And yeah, I'll take a poll because I want to give away things that you guys love. And because I saw that so many of you, I didn't realize, well, like after this bag, I just thought if I can get another one, you know, and I just thought I'll just put it out there right now because it may take months to, you know, by that time, hopefully would have reached 200K. So yes, comment to let me know. Also, I wanted to tell you in terms of capacity wise for the Nano Speedy or the Nano No Way, which I showed before, they fit about the same. They may look like tiny tinsy bags, but I quickly wanted to go through what you can actually fit in there because I think you'll be surprised. I know it looks super baby, itsy bitsy, but let me show you quickly what can fit inside. So first question, which is the most important, I think, is does it fit a bigger sized iPhone? And the answer is yes, it does. As you can see, it fits in very easily, and I have a case. So, but you do need to angle it when you put it in. Next up, does it fit an LV mini pochette? Let's try. Okay, so you have to really squeeze it. It does fit, but it's a squeeze. I'll show you. So let me put this in. So guys, you probably can't see that well, but it is in there. But you saw that it was pretty hard to fit in there. But I want to show you guys what can fit in. I'll take it out, then you'll sort of know how hard it is to maneuver out. So then I have like a Chanel card case because, you know, all your cards and some cash. That's easy. That will fit straight inside. And then I also have some mints. I can fit that inside too. And then I have, obviously you need your car keys. Not a problem. So then next up I have a pretty thick pack of tissues. Let's see if that fits. Okay, so you do need to maneuver it around a little bit. Okay, can you see it is getting super, super full? But you can kind of see it's really packed. And, you know, if you wanted, you can still fit, you know, a hand sanitizer. I've got a pen. Okay, so this is fully packed, but let me just show you. It does zip up. See, it fits a lot, but obviously it's going to be a pain to get in and out of. But just to show you max capacity, this is what it fits in. Let me take everything out to show you, but you know, like tissues again. So I've got a pen, hand sanitizer, card case with cards and cash, whoops, keys, car keys, mints. I have got, okay, now this is the tricky bit. I've got my mini pochette, so you've got to maneuver it. Actually, it wasn't that hard to get out, but you've got to maneuver it. And then finally, my bigger size iPhone. So guys, I think this is actually, you know, I've actually never done that before and I'm pretty impressed. I actually think I love this cutie even more. So that is my new Nano Speedy. Yeah, I just love it. And I'm already thinking of like letting Miss S borrow it. No, she doesn't have any designer bags yet, but she definitely can borrow it because we can do some twinning shots. We love doing those twinning shots. So that is it, guys. That is my reveal for today. I am already loving this Nano Speedy so much and my belt. So don't forget to comment below which bag you think would make the better first prize for my 200K. And by the way, I'm still thinking of a second prize, so it won't just be this. So please comment and let me know because I will tally it up and then post it on my Instagram. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That means so much to me. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.